Dear everyone, we are going to learn about skill 2. It is about objects of prepositions. Let's check it out. Apa yang disebut dengan an objects of a prepositions itu? An objects of a prepositions is a noun, pronouns, gerunds, a noun clause that comes after a prepositions such as in, at, on, by, of, and so on to form a prepositional phrase. Objek preposisi itu adalah kata benda, kata ganti, gerunds atau klausa benda yang mengikuti suatu preposisi seperti misalkan pada preposisi in, at, on, by, of, dan lain sebagainya untuk membentuk suatu frasa preposisi. Yang pertama yang akan kita bahas adalah a prepositions plus a noun. Preposisi itu bisa diikuti oleh kata benda. For examples, in God we trust. In God meskipun pada awal kalimat bukan sebagai subjek karena dimulai dengan preposisi in. So, in as the prepositions, God as the noun, we as the subject, trust as the verb, so God as the objects of the prepositions in. The next example, to Tom's, celebrating his birthday is not important. To Tom's bukan sebagai subjek karena dimulai dengan preposisi to. So, to as the prepositions, Tom as the nouns, celebrating his birthday as the subject is not as the verb. So, Tom's as the objects of the prepositions to. Number 2, a prepositions plus a noun phrase. Preposisi itu bisa diikuti oleh suatu frasa benda. For examples, he is one of the stars in his class. He as the subject, is as the verb, of as the prepositions, the stars as the noun phrase, in as the prepositions, his class as the noun phrase, so the stars as the objects of the prepositions of, his class as the objects of the prepositions in. The next example, after his exams, he will have a trip by a unique ship. After the prepositions, his exams as the noun phrase, he as the subject, will have as the verb, a trip as the object, by the prepositions, a unique ship as the noun phrase, his exams as the objects of the prepositions after, a unique ship is the objects of the prepositions by. Number 3, a prepositions plus an objects pronoun. Preposisi itu bisa diikuti oleh kata ganti objects. For examples, for him, this homemade cake is made. For the prepositions, him as the objects pronouns, this homemade cake as the subject, is made as the verb. So, him as the objects of the prepositions for. Okay. Kemudian, to you, this package is sent by us. To as the prepositions, you as the objects pronouns, this package as the subject, is sent as the verb, by as the prepositions, as the object pronouns, so you as the objects of the prepositions to, and us as the objects of the prepositions by. Number 4, a prepositions plus a gerund or gerund phrase. Preposisi itu bisa diikuti oleh gerund atau frasa gerund. For examples, by singing, he can reach his success. By the prepositions, singing as gerund, he as the subject, can reach as the verb, his success as the object. So, singing as the objects of the prepositions by. Next, for doing my thesis, I need to observe many people. First, the prepositions. Doing my thesis as gerund phrase, as the subjects, need as the verb, many people as the objects. So, doing my thesis as the objects of the prepositions for. Number 5, a prepositions plus a noun clause. Preposisi itu bisa diikuti oleh klausa benda. For examples, we are responsible for what we have done. We as the subjects, as the verb, first the preposition, what we have done as the noun clause, what we have done as the objects of the prepositions for. Next, they are thinking of how they can reach their dreams. They as the subjects are thinking as the verb, of as the prepositions, how they can reach their dreams as the noun clause, how they can reach their dreams as the objects of the prepositions of. Take a look at the following examples. Yang manakah subjects dan the objects of the prepositions dan verbnya? The trip to the islands on Saturday will last for 3 hours. To trip as the subject. Oke, kemudian di sini ada prepositions to the islands. Kemudian ada preposition lagi on Saturday. Kemudian di sini verbnya. Kemudian di sini ada prepositions lagi. Oke, setelah preposisi ada nouns, dan di sini ada noun phrase. So, ada 3 the objects of the prepositions, yaitu the islands is the objects of the prepositions to, Saturday is the objects of the prepositions on, 3 hours as the objects of the prepositions for. The next example, by 1870, over 30 nations bla 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 postage stamps. Di sini ada 1870 yang dimulai dengan by, so 1870 as the objects of the prepositions by, kemudian over 30 nations as the subject, dan kalimat ini belum ada verbnya. Tugas kita adalah mencari verb yang hilang. Yang manakah dari pilihan jawabannya yang bisa menjadi verb? The issue bukan verb. Were issuing bisa menjadi verb. Issuing tanpa helping verb atau to be tidak bisa menjadi verb. Kemudian the issued bukan verb. So the only verb is be. Dan ini cocok dengan over 30 nations. So B is the best answer. The next example, to Mike blah 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 was a big surprise. Mike as the object of the prepositions to. Kemudian kalimat ini sudah ada verbnya dan belum ada subjeknya. Berarti tugas kita adalah mencari subjek yang hilang. Yang manakah yang bisa menjadi subjek? Willie, bukan. The party, kemungkinan. Oke. Kemudian funny, ini adalah kata sifat. Kemudian when, tidak bisa menjadi subjek dalam kasus ini. Bukan subjek dalam kasus ini. So, the party, noun phrase di sini bisa menjadi subject. Okay, so B is the best answer. To Max as the objects of the prepositions, the party as the subject, and words as the verb. Thank you for watching. I hope you can learn from this. Keep practicing because practice makes perfect, and see you next time.